We finished the lumbar area. We cover it, and now we reveal only a part of the back that we will work on. For this, we need the towel that we prepared beforehand. We will apply the oil again. You can't paint without oil. We work in oil, and there are other kinds of paintings, but we said that this is an art, is more special. It is a healing art, and we applied oil. We perform an alternating effleurage with the palm. With the ridge of the fingers. After introduction follows the content. Palm friction. Don't forget the first time. The first section is with the palm, especially focusing with the palm, and here we will work paravertebral. The vertebral muscles, and again using the weight of the body, you can see how I bend with each rotational movement. I lean forward from the body. That means my front leg is bending too. So I have one leg in front, one in the back, and it bends at every leaning motion. And in this way, my back is as straight as possible. So I work from the body and not from the hands. The hand, as you can see, is outstretched, not bent. Cresting friction follows on paravertebral. For support, we can keep the thumb on the other side. Do not keep it in the air. It's harder, but we hold on to the opposite side. We don't press on the column. The massage is not done on bony prominences. It is performed only on soft tissues, skin, muscles. Good. After we've done palm friction on the paravertebrals, we'll continue with a friction with both palms. We call this maneuver the kitten. It is very liked by the patient, yes. So one hand clockwise and with the other hand counterclockwise, we can couple them both, but alternatively. We focus again on the bridge of the palm and go up and return with slight effleurage. Again, we continue. It's a very beneficial maneuver. Is it okay, Christy? Everything is all right? This is our kitten. Also, from the category of friction, follows friction with all fingers, called the 10 little soldiers. We try to get all our fingers involved in where? In the ditch next to the spine. Imagine going into a ditch and coming out on the other side. It's like cleaning. Okay? We position our fingers diagonal, and the same here. We try from the body weight. Is it okay, Christy? Are you sleepy? Good. It means that the substances that need to appear and relax you are working. Endorphins appear that will create well-being, usually appearing at the end of the massage, but can also occur during the massage, so we go up with this movement 3 or 4 times, cleaning next to the ditch, not the column, but next to the column. We go up to the occiput, and then we turn with our fingers 2 and 3 in the shape of a V just to bypass the column. We put the other hand on the palm, on the back of the hand, and we will make a turn or an effleurage. More pressure. So again, to show you better, I climb section by section. Please do not jump. We don't skip sections, and we don't take our hands off. You notice that I don't lift my hand from the patient. And then we turn, yes, and now follows the part next to the spine. A little further, paravertebral. We call this maneuver cross fiber on the paravertebrals. Very good movement. Up to the shoulder, and we go down with a hand. A maneuver called peeling, as if we were peeling a banana. You can see right away I'm going upward, cross fiber on the paravertebrals. And now I turn with my right hand. If I am positioned on my right shoulder on the infraspinatus or the latissimus dorsa, the great dorsal, once again to see the maneuver. Next comes the intervertebral space, the ribs, a rake-shaped effleurage. And then a rake-shaped friction. We have to feel it under our hand. How are they positioned? Oblique to the column. Here I am showing you something more complex. A more complex movement. At the same time, I perform an effleurage. So this hand goes down and makes an effleurage. And with the other hand, a friction, drawing something around between my fingers. And of course, I'm looking for spaces between Christie's ribs. I also finish the ribs. Next, onto the shoulder blade. I have to go back. Did you see when I came back? I repeat this. It's another very important thing. So I worked, and next I have to go to a shoulder blade. To work on the shoulder blade, I have to get to the other side. I do not lift my hand from the patient, okay? I return, but the hand remains there, as I said, the introduction. What are we doing here? A thumb friction. Thumb friction next to the wings, so to speak. Next to the shoulder blade. Friction all the way up then. We go back to the other side. If we don't know and don't feel the wing, we can delimit it by placing our hand on the back, and then it delimits itself very well. Can you see how well it stood out? Anyway, after we perform this movement, we raise the hand to the back and our palm under the shoulder, elbow as low as possible. In this way, we highlight the shoulder blade as much as possible. We do an effleurage in the first phase with the thumb, but also with the index finger. Again, an extraordinarily well-received and appreciated movement by the patient. Is it good, Christy? So go with your thumb. Up, up, and up. And now with all the fingers, friction next unto the shoulder blade. With all the fingers. And now we will try to pull the wing. From time to time, we catch it and traction it. Everything we do practically, everyone should do naturally if they make enough movement. And now a mobilization. Reverse rotations, tractions, shaking. Good.
Hey, thanks for watching this presentation. My name is Bill, and I'm the voice behind this video. If you've not already subscribed to our channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. You'll get a notification bell every time we upload a new video. And if it's not too difficult, give us a like as well. This ensures that we'll keep being able to bring you great content and you'll get to hear me more. Leaving comments is also appreciated, and it helps us to know if we're meeting your educational needs.